my name is Lillian. I'm one of the teaching staff at IHNA Parramatta. So today I'm going to show you how to do hand washing, and the reason for it is because we want to reduce cross infection. So firstly, you got to remove all jewelry, and then I'm going to show you how we're going to wash the hands using the 5 moments of hand hygiene. So what I'll do is I'll just wet my hand first. Get some soap so I can rub my 2 palms together until they form some lather, and we should take roughly 20 seconds for normal clean hand washing. So I'm doing my palms together, and then I'm going to do the back of my left hand, and then I'll do the other hand, following which I will go into the web of my hand fingers. So that's always important that we wash in between carefully, between the thumb and our first finger, and then we go to the second one, and then last one on the right hand, and then we go to the left hand and we start the process again. And then don't forget our fingertips and the other hand, and then our wrist and the other wrist, and then make sure we now rinse our hands carefully under running water. Make sure we get rid of all this soap. Shake off all the excess water and just dry our hands carefully. And always important that we actually moisturize our hands to keep our skin nice and moist, to reduce the risk of getting cuts on our hands. Other important things to remember: as nurses, we should all have short fingernails. They must be clean. We do not use nail varnish when you're at work. Neither do we use the acrylic fingernails. Thank you.